Hello friends, today we'll discuss the very important muscle of the upper arm which is known as the deltoid muscle. Now the deltoid muscle is a large triangular muscle which forms the contour of the shoulder. It is a large triangular muscle which forms the contour of the shoulder. It has three sections or it has three parts. The first is the clavicular part, second is the acromial part, and the third one is the spinal part. Or you can say it has three sections. The first is the clavicular section, second is the acromial section, and the third one is the spinal section. Now the origin of fibers of the deltoid muscle. The deltoid muscle fibers originates from the clavicular part. The clavicular section has its origin from the collarbone. Second one, the acromial part has its origin from the acromion process of the scapula, and the third is the spinal part has its origin from the spine of the scapula. So the three sections or the three parts has its origin from the collarbone, from the acromion process of the scapula, and from the spine of the scapula. Now comes the insertion. Now insertion of the deltoid muscle is in the deltoid tuberosity, which is present on the humerus, which is present in the humerus. Now which nerve originates, which nerve innervates this deltoid muscle? So the axillary nerve innervates the deltoid muscle. So I am repeating, the deltoid muscle is the large triangular muscle which forms the contour of the shoulder. It has three parts or it has three sections. The first section is the clavicular section, second section is the acromial section, and the third section is the spinal section. The clavicular section, the fibers of the deltoid muscle originates from the clavicle. Second, the acromial section, the fibers of the deltoids are also originating from the acromion process of the scapula. And the third one is the spinal section or the spinal part. The fibers of the deltoid muscle originates from the spine of the scapula. Now comes the insertion. The insertion of the deltoid muscle is in the deltoid tuberosity, which is present in the humerus. And which nerve innervates the deltoid muscle? The axillary nerve innervates the deltoid muscle. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.